Hello, this is Dr. Zain Agha from Zain's Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook for you crispy baby corn. As for you, your friends and your guests, it's lovely. So I will take a little bit of everything and taste it. Oh my God, it's so tasty. Very, very tasty. These are the baby corns. Now what else we need for it? We need some bell peppers, capsicum, red and green. I didn't have the green ones, so I'm just using the red ones. Then I need some green onions. So we cut into this shape. These are the green onions as well. Then for that I need 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and 3 teaspoons of garlic paste. And then I need 1 tablespoon of plain flour and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Then I need about half a teaspoon of white pepper and about half a teaspoon of black pepper. Need about half to quarter teaspoon of Himalayan salt and about a quarter teaspoon of the Chinese salt. This is called sodium glutamate. It is the flavor enhancer. If you have, you can use it. If you don't have it, forget it. And then I need 2 tablespoons full of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of vinegar, white distilled vinegar, just 1 teaspoon. These are all the ingredients I require. I'll show you how I'm going to cook it. Okay, here is how we cook. Take a large bowl and put all the baby corns in there. And then with the baby corns, you put in the salt, and then you put the black pepper powder and the white pepper powder, and then the black pepper powder and the ginger garlic paste, and also add the plain flour to it and the corn flour. It's all gone in. And then give it a thorough mix like this, okay? And it might need a little bit of water to make it coated. I will add a little of water. I'm going to add a little bit of water and then I'm going to mix it. We need the baby corns to be completely coated. Need a little bit more water. Now we'll wear a pair of gloves and then I'm going to do it by hand. So I'm going to mix it thoroughly by hand so that each baby corn is coated nicely. Okay, like this. It has to be coated properly. Okay, so make sure it's coated everywhere. And then I'm going to fry it. Okay, so leave it for a little while and then I'll fry it. I'll come back later. Now I'm going to deep fry these baby corns in this oil. You should fry it for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Make sure you don't burn them. Okay, I'll come back later. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, so I'm going to turn off the fire, right? And then I'm going to take them out and put them on this paper to absorb the oil. Okay, so you can see here they are, all of them. Right, now I'm going to show you how to cook them. Okay, I've taken a wok. In this wok I'm going to put in 1 tablespoonful of oil. Okay, and turn on the fire. And then I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of garlic, right? And then I'm going to mix it. Where is the? Okay, I'll mix it like this. Okay, put the fire down. Now I'm going to put in this is the spring onions. Put the fire up again. And then I'm going to put the peppers, bell peppers. Okay. Saute them. And then I'm going to put in the soya sauce. And the vinegar. And the Chinese salt, which is the flavor enhancer. Sodium glutamate, monosodium glutamate. Put the fire a little bit down. Okay, I'm going to put the fire up again. Right, now we're going to put in these baby corns. These are the ones we cooked. Okay, and when you taste it, you'll love it. Very nice and tasty and crispy. Okay, it's almost ready now. I'm going to dish it out. So I'll turn off the fire first, and then I'm going to dish it out here in this dish here. Okay, here it is. This is the crispy baby corns. As for you, your friends and your guests, it's lovely. So I will take a little bit of everything and taste it. Oh my God. So tasty. Very, very tasty. Now, this is the spring onion. This is the bell pepper. This is the baby corn. Oh my God, how tasty it is. Right. Make it for your friends and guests and they will love it. Okay, take care. Do subscribe to my channel for more. See you later. Bye-bye.